Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install ModelMuse, which is a graphical user interface for MODFLOW family of programs. MODFLOW 2005, for example, can simulate groundwater flow. There are other related MODFLOW programs that you could use for other purposes. For example, to simulate MT3DMS, for example, you can use this to simulate smooth transport. PEST is another related software that you can use for model calibration. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install ModelMuse, a graphical user interface, MODFLOW 2000 for groundwater flow simulation, and PEST for model calibration. To install ModelMuse, you can go to the website. And you can click here to install whatever current release is. Alternatively, you can use it from AppsAnywhere. So if you go to FGCU, AppsAnywhere, visit AppsAnywhere, open AppsAnywhere. See, here is the validation is in progress. After this validation, you should get, like, if the validation is successful, then validation is successful. If validation is not successful, you get a red error. Then you could check this troubleshooting guide which I have here. So, for example, like if this is AppsAnywhere Troubleshooting, if any program in AppsAnywhere is not working, this is how you can fix it. If your validation failed, then basically you need to contact the help desk. This is their contact information and they will help you. Okay. But in that case here, validation is successful, so let's just run ModelMuse. ModelMuse, find it here, click launch, open AppsAnywhere, and then you can say, for example, create a new MODFLOW model. I mean, we will leave this for now. We will come to this later. Okay, let's just cancel this one. Now, the next step is that you download MODFLOW and related programs. So we're going to use MODFLOW 2005. Basically, click here and then download this one. Click here, it should download. ModelMate, you need this to run PEST with MODFLOW. So you click on this link and download this file. PEST is a software that you're going to use for model calibration. You need like 4 files. So the main one is this one, PEST 17. That's like the main one that you need. And like you need all these other tools so that PEST can work with MODFLOW. So you need this I64 executable, you need this groundwater suit, and you need the PL. Okay, so also download these files. The third step is that you install ModelMate. So once you download ModelMate, you install it and select where you want to install it. This is like, for example, the default location. You can just keep this default location. So like here, for example, ModelMate, click on ModelMate. It will tell you next where do you want to install it, like I want to install it here. And then you can continue. I'm going to continue because I already have it installed. Then after you install ModelMate at this location or any other location, you need to place, to unzip like these packages that you download, and you need to place them in same like in I would suggest to place them where you installed ModelMate. So you just keep all these model MODFLOW family in one location. So you can just put them here. Let me show you. For example, like with MODFLOW, you can come here. You can extract all, like extract all. So now it's like extracting all these files. Okay. Be careful of each of these steps so that you can make your application work. So now here I've already extracted it. Like you can get this guy, for example, cut and paste it where you put like putting your MODFLOW family. So basically you can paste it here, but I'm not going to paste it because I already have it pasted here. So it should look something like this. Okay. Now let's go to download. Now for PEST, you need to do an extra step. So PEST, like this, let's unzip, like we select like these guys and extract all. Extract PEST here, for example. Okay. I'm extracting PEST now. Because for PEST, after you extract it, you need to all these PEST related tools. Okay, so I have PEST 17 here, for example. Okay, let me extract like this one also. And let me extract this one also. And let me extract the output. Let me extract this one. Okay. So like this should have all these executable files. Okay. So basically, like you extract all of them. Make sure that once all these are extracted, is that you copy, like also not delete this one now. After you delete, like after you have all these executable, you can also like make sure that like these files you cut them, okay, and paste them all under PEST. Okay. Make sure that they are all pasted here under PEST, all in one folder. That's the important part. Like if you didn't do this, it's not gonna work. So make sure that like all the PEST related IAM are under PEST 17. Okay. So copying and pasting is taking some time. Anyway, it should generally work. I mean, probably it's sometimes this FGC network is better, but it should generally work. Okay, so now it's working. Now I have everything here. Now you cut this one and paste it where everything else is. So you go here. Again, I'm not going to paste it because I have it already. And then you have like your PEST is already here. Now you're ready to go. So now you are done with this step. Here you will not going to find all these programs because for your project you would only need like this one, and you will only need ModelMate, and you will only need PEST. Like for example, this MT3D MS, this is for solute transport, this is for particle tracking, this is MODFLOW 6, which wouldn't be. Okay, and PEST should look like this, PEST folder. The last step is that you link these executable with ModelMuse. So to do this, again, you open your ModelMuse. So let's open our ModelMuse. Let me go here, launch ModelMuse. Once you can create a new MODFLOW file, for example, you can click next, finish. Okay. And then you will come here, and then under Model, you go to Model Program Locations, and like MODFLOW 2005, make sure that this is pointing to where you put like your MODFLOW. So this is where we put all our MODFLOW family. This is the MODFLOW folder, and then bin. and then you select MODFLOW executable, which would be mf2005.executable. So if you click here, for example, you see this is where all the MODFLOW family folder are. This is the MODFLOW one, and here is the bin for this one. Okay. Same for ModelMate. So for ModelMate, you should have like the same thing. Okay. So for ModelMate, again, here ModelMate folder, and this is a tool. Okay. So you can then you click OK. I here click cancel because I already have it selected. Then for PEST, you go to PEST properties, and then you do the same. You select PEST 17. Okay. So you go to PEST property, and then you select PEST 17. You select the folder. You click OK. And that's it. And then you are done, and you are ready to run MODFLOW.